Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. Today we're going to be showing you how to make vegan beef burgers. Today's ingredients are nutritional yeast flakes, portobello mushrooms, lentils, marmite, smoked paprika, black beans, chickpeas, beetroot, oats and tapioca. Firstly, we're going to wash the mushrooms, then we're going to chop them up into cubes, and then we're going to put them a tablespoon of oil and put them in the frying pan and saute them until all of those natural juices flow out and they're nice and soft. Next, in the blender, we're going to put the tin of black beans, chickpeas, half a tin of the lentils, the mushrooms, and then the oats. We're going to blend that all together because we want quite a smooth mixture, and if you find that the mixture seems a bit thin, then you can add a little bit more oats. Then we're going to add to the mixture beetroot, the nutritional yeast flakes, the tapioca, the smoked paprika, and then the marmite, and we're going to blend this all together again, making sure it's all well mixed together, and then we're going to pour it out into a bowl, and it should have like a ground beef look to it. To the bowl, we're going to add the remainder of the lentils, and also I added a further cup of oats and mix that all together, and then after which we're going to heat the pan and we're going to put the patties in and just press them down so they're flat and let that cook on both sides until they're golden brown on each side. These burgers not only have a beef-like texture, but they also have a beef-like look and are very tasty and nutritious. So I hope that you enjoy this recipe today, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. If you try any of these recipes, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Thank you. Bye.